And boom, and we're back. All right, guys. So for the next section, we're going to be talking about the Google Cash Machine. And basically, the Google Cash Machine, what it is our roadmap to how we make money with Google Ads. So this is something that we share. Usually we share it on our trainings. We don't really put it out too often because it's literally the map that we use to make money online. And we don't want everyone to know about this. But if you guys are following, if you guys are interested, this is where you get rewarded. It all starts with Aliexpress. And if you guys do not know what Aliexpress is, it's basically where you find most of these suppliers in China. This is where they're at. It's like the Amazon for China. We get really cheap products here. So the way that this all works and the way that we've made it so that this entire thing is automated, because what type of machine is not automated? If you have a machine that's not automated, let's be honest here, you have a really crappy machine. So we have a machine that's automated. So the way that this works is we have all the products here on Aliexpress. And what we do is we have VAs. Now, what are VAs? This is always a big question. People always oh, what are VAs? How does that work? Where do I find them? So we have VAs. VAs are virtual assistants, people who we hire. They could be anywhere in the world. We pay them. They're pulling products out of Aliexpress and they're putting it into another place. The VAs are grabbing the products and they're putting them into Shopify. These guys, virtual assistants, you can find them on Upwork.com. There's a ton of websites, Fiverr, bunch of websites that you can find people from all over the world. Depending on what the task that you want them to do, they can do it. In this specific Google Cash Machine, what these virtual assistants are doing is product research and basically store management in a way. They're grabbing the products from Aliexpress and they're putting them on our Shopify store. Okay? So this system is completely automated. We continue with the automation, okay? So I'm gonna come down with Shopify all over here. And then this is where the magic with Google happens and having this whole entire cash machine be automated. The next process here is called Google Merchant Center. That's the next step in this entire process. So again, guys, I'm just going over every individual step so you guys don't miss anything. Aliexpress, that's where the products are. VAs, grab the products, put it onto our Shopify store. From our Shopify store, we use the Google Merchant Center to extract the products, and here they're held in what we call a feed. So basically it's a list of products with all the data of the products. It has the pictures, it has the titles, it has the descriptions, all that good stuff. It's on a feed on the Google Merchant Center. Now, here's where the magic happens. So the Merchant Center, what it does is that it links to Google Ads itself. Now this allows us to basically test all of our products. And I'm gonna tell you guys how it is that we test these products right now. Products, VAs, they grab the products, put it on our Shopify store through the Merchant Center, which it's an app on Shopify. We connect it to the Merchant Center. A feed goes into our Merchant Center and all of our products are here. This automatically pushes our products to Google Ads. We link these two. And now on Google Ads, this is where the magic happens again, guys. We go into our testing general campaign. The power
within
of Google Ads is right here in the general testing campaign. This is where we extract all the pros and cons that we were just talking about, Facebook and Google. This is where we extract all that value from Google, okay? So what happens here, all of our products, all the products that are on our store that go through this process, they get put into this campaign. Now the beauty of this campaign is that it allows us to test every single product on our store virtually automatically. We don't have to do anything at all. We literally put up the products, have our VAs, we have our VAs put up the product. We don't even touch that. And they get automatically tested on our general campaign. Now you can probably imagine how beneficial this is when we think about Facebook, where you literally have to go product by product by product, testing creatives, testing audiences. You have to make sure that the audience converts because it's a cold audience. You get charged on impressions. So if you don't know what the hell you're doing, you're gonna be spending a lot of money. This takes out all the guesswork, guys. This takes out all the guesswork. We're getting all the benefits of Google Ads, and that's how we're able to test all of our products. Now, this doesn't only stop here, and I'm going to erase this so I have more room to work with, because from here, a whole new world opens up, okay? Go ahead and erase this, because I'm going to talk about virtual assistants and journal campaigns and all that good stuff, and how we scale this thing to the moon.